Hello, my name is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and I'm excited to share with you that we've officially launched our TELUS eClaims integration for all Canadian customers. We've also created a TELUS eClaims section within our Help Center to help you learn everything you need to know in order to start submitting claims. This includes how to link your ClinicSense account to TELUS eClaims, how to connect practitioners to TELUS, and how the TELUS consent form works and how to collect it from your clients. Anyways, let me show you how easy it is to submit an e-claim. To get started, you'll want to click on the appointment from your calendar, then navigate to the Invoice tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll notice a new Submit e-claim button to the left of the Add Payment button. Here, you'll notice that most of the information is already pre-filled for you. All you need to do is select if you're billing by minutes or units, choose or change your billing code, and you can select if you'd like to include this service in the insurance claim. This is helpful in case you provided multiple services, but not all of them are covered by the insurance. And before you move forward, you will need to accept the insurer's terms and conditions. And lastly, at the bottom, you'll see three different options. You can either save the claim as a draft in case you need to complete or review it at a later time, or you can check eligibility to see what the insurer will cover, but this will not submit a claim. And lastly, you can submit an e-claim to TELUS for processing, and it will be sent to the insurer. Once we submit our e-claim, we'll wait for a real-time response from TELUS. Here, we'll see the explanation of benefits, which will show you what was covered and what the client owes. We'll also be able to find claim submission details and notes regarding this claim. This update is aimed at simplifying and streamlining your eClaim submission process, as it's all done from within ClinicSense. If you have any questions, I encourage you to review our Help Center, but if there's anything we can help with, feel free to reach out to support@clinicsense.com via email. Have a good one. Bye-bye.